This is the 5th generation Honda CR-V. It has a remote start. On the remote start, you're going to hit the top button, which is your lock, and hold the recycle for 3 full seconds. And the car will start and acknowledge. We'll show you how that will work in a second. You have 2 attempts to start your car, meaning you can run your car. If it shuts off and you want to continue to run it, you can start it over again. You cannot run it for 3 consecutive times, only 2 consecutive times. There is no workaround. Maybe there is a workaround with the kill switch, but the only other workaround is to get rid of the Honda module and put in your own remote start that you can run it infinity. And that is the beauty of aftermarket. So let's show you how to start the car and what happens on the 3rd attempt. You're going to hit the lock button and then hold down the recycle button. 1, 2, 3. If you notice the flash, and then you notice the flash of acknowledgement and now the flash of the car, that is telling you that the car is remote started and running. Your air conditioner will run during the summer and your heat will run during the winter. If for some reason you don't want to run the car for the full 12 minutes, if that is the time of the remote start, you go to the red button that you press to start and hold it for 3 full seconds. You notice you get a blink and the car shuts off. Now you can run it a second cycle by hitting the lock and then 1, 2, 3. And then the car will start up again and give you the flash. Your car is started. So let's say the car now has shut off through the cycle. And it'll blink to show you that it shuts off. Now for the 3rd consecutive time, if you hold the lock button and you hit 1, 2, 3, nothing is going to happen. You're going to have to get in the car, open up the door, hit the push start button to start the car or go through the accessory and shut it off, and then your car will start up again. That is the beauty of the Honda remote start. It protects the car from running by itself. If the keys are in the pocket and they get hit accidentally, you don't run out of gas if you're on empty. And, somebody opens up the door, the car will automatically shut off. That is a safety feature that Honda has made. Can you bypass the system? An aftermarket remote start. Can you get to Honda to tell them to bypass the system through their programming? I'm most sure you can if you get to the right person. I hope this video was somewhat helpful to somebody out there looking to start their car longer than 2 cycles. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to rate, comment, show some love.